While referring to a recent meeting held by one of his competitors, Jama said such provocative utterances would be understood by residents living in the county negatively and many would leave the town. He said at a time like this, when the country is headed for an election, political leaders seeking elective seats should guard against loose talk.
So waqtigan inaan isku yar magacaabno qoys way nala yar farxumaatay diyaar
in kolba waraabo marna loo xirayo muxuu ahaa macaws loo xirayo marna maqaar ida lagu dad Soomaali ma ku dhan waxaan rabnaa Soomaali dad matalayo.
Politics is competition, hakuna shida. Alafu baada ya compete you either win or you lose. Lakini tumeona hapa mambo mabaya, matusi ambayo haina limit, uongo ambayo haina limit, matisho ambayo haina limit, and so forth and so on. Lakini sisi tunasema kwamba ni watu wa Garissa. It's you people and the people of Garissa who know who is right and who is wrong.
Jubilee members of parliament under the Uhuru Ruto Express camped in Nyeri for the second day running, rallying residents to register a 100% voter turnout.